Well, my name is Lance Nill. I'm here to tell you today about a product I developed. It's called Nill Building Solutions. It's for solving leaks and better, stronger attachments all around the house. This is the 6x6 NB1, we call this one. This is either attached with lag screws through the top, or it can be bolted from underneath. As you see there. Depending on if you have access, but either way is fine. So what we did was we solved the leak problem of the hole that always leaks when you attach to it is no longer a hole. You can see it's all sealed as one with the bracket. It is now a port. So anything you anchor into here, you will no longer be creating a hole because it is not a hole. It is a port. And this is the NB1. This comes in an array of sizes, standard 6x6. Second, we have the NB2, small anchor. This is attached with a hex head drill. You attach this to the wall, you put the sealant behind it. Anything you need to attach, you simply screw into a 1/4x20 port. Comes in an array of sizes. This is the most standard size. This could be bigger, this could be smaller, but this is 1/4x20 tapped and ready to go. This is a much stronger solution because it's mounted at the surface you are attaching to. So when you go to attach, your strength is far greater than any lag screw. Second, we have the NB3, which is the flush version. If you don't have room for the hex head, we have a flush version, which is only 16th inch wide. It has an Allen key port for easy installation. You simply crank this into the wall, back caulk, it's set, mount whatever you're going to mount, windows, doors, trellises, awnings, shutters, anything you could think of, goes right into it, and you have a better, stronger, watertight connection. Now I'm showing you the NB4. This is a raised aluminum. This here is attached with lag screws through here. Then once the lag screws are in, you simply install the caps, smooth out the surface. You can then seal the entire thing in. You're left with a 1/2 inch port for mounting, whatever you're mounting. Again, solar, rails, HVAC. You simply screw in and attach down into a hole that is no longer a hole. There is no hole going through there. Again, it is a port. This has always been the weak point I found in my 30 years of roofing, and we have now eliminated the weak point and stopped the leaks from happening.